Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's make this Nigeria crunchy buns on the thumbnail. So I have my sieved flour here. I have 3 cups of flour here. This is 1 teaspoon of baking powder, so I'm going to sieve it. This is 1/4 cup of sugar. I'm going to go in with my sugar, 1/4 cup of sugar. Okay, you can adjust it if you wish. Okay, I'll go in with my milk. So this is 3 tablespoons of milk, powdered milk. You can use any milk of your choice. You can use milk flavor or any milk of your choice. So I'm going to go in 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. So you can use nutmeg or cinnamon powder. We're going to go in with ½ teaspoon of salt, half. Okay, go ahead and mix all your ingredients together. Okay, all your dry ingredients. Okay, so I like to go in with my vanilla extract. So this is 1 teaspoon. Okay, so we're just going to go in. So there's this flavor it gives to these buns. So I'm going in with my butter. You can use margarine. Okay, so I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of butter. Okay, I'm using 2 tablespoons of butter. It is room temperature. Okay, it's not a cold one, so you can even melt it. But so I'm going to go ahead and mix all of this together. Okay, so you can use your hand to mix it, or you use your whisk. Going with my egg. This is a cold egg. This egg is cold. Okay, so I'm cracking my egg in here like this. Okay, I'm going to just work it in with my hands like this. Make sure your egg is cold. Okay, that is one of the things that will give you this crunchy effect on your buns. So I'm going to be using cold water. Okay, I'm going in with my water. So this is 1 cup of water, so you're going to add it gradually while you mix it together. Okay, I'm going to add my water in here while I go ahead and mix it together. At this point, you're going to be having a sticky dough like this. Okay, so if you are following this recipe, I use just 1 cup of water for this recipe. Okay, so you're going to keep mixing like this. Okay, so you're going to be having something like this. It's going to be so sticky. Okay, so this is what I'm going to have at this point. Just mix it. Okay, so you could adjust your sugar like I said earlier if you feel sugar level is not enough. Okay, so mix it thoroughly. So once you're done, the next stage is to start frying your buns. Put your pan on your cooker and then add your cooking oil inside. When your oil is hot, you're going to start adding your dough to your oil, so you can try it to check if the oil is ready. Okay, so at this point I'm going to start adding the dough into the pot like this. Okay, so make sure that the heat is on medium heat. If your heat is too high, your buns will end up cooking on the outside and yet the inside will not be cooked. Okay, so keep adding your dough onto the pot or your pan is filled. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do me a favor by subscribing and liking this video so that more people will get to see and know about my channel. Thank you very much. So I'm just going to add more to it. So once you're done, you're going to use your frying spoon to just lift it up. Okay, you're going to use it to lift it up so that it doesn't stick to the lower part of the pan. Okay, if you have enough cooking oil inside your pan, it's not going to stick. Okay, you just flip it around so that it doesn't burn like I said. Okay, so you keep checking, you keep flipping it around until it is golden brown. Okay, so until it is ready. Okay, so once it is ready, you're going to just take it off the heat like this, off the pan. Okay, like this. So you're going to repeat the same process till the whole dough is being fried. Okay, until you're done frying every of the dough. Okay, so at this point I was done taking it out of the oil. So this is the final look of the buns. It was so crunchy on the outside and the inside looks so soft. Hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, show me some love by liking and sharing this video with your loved ones. Drop a comment for me, please. If you don't know what to type, drop an emoji for me and I will appreciate it so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.